parallel circuit, connection of resistance in parallel. So each and every element has two terminals or the two leads. Now when the one terminal of any one element is connected to the any one terminal of another element, and the second terminal of one element is connected to the second terminal of second element, is called parallel connection. Now, as shown in this figure, resistance R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. Now, this parallel combination is connected across supply. So here you can see the voltage V is applied across to this parallel circuit. So each and every resistance, that means R1, R2 and R3, gets same voltage V. So from that we can say that the voltage available across this resistance R1, R2 and R3 having V voltage. So V voltage is available at the every resistance, as that means R1, R2, R3. Now according to Ohm's law, I is inversely proportional to the resistance. So the current passing through this each resistance is inversely proportional to their resistance. Now total current I draws from this supply is the summation of current flow from each branch. Here you can see this I1 is passing through this resistance R1, I2 is passing through this resistance R2 and I3 is passing through this resistance R3. So and now let we take R is the equivalent resistance of the all resistance. So here we can write I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. According to Ohm's law, I can write I is equal to V upon R here. So here V, that means the supply voltage applied to this circuit divided by equivalent resistance of this circuit. For similarly I1, we can write V upon R1 plus for I2 V2 upon R2 plus for I3 V upon R3. Now we are taking V as a common. So our equation becomes in bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So V will get cancelled. So we can write 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. That means if we are connecting n number of resistance in parallel, we can write 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon Rn. Now the equivalent, from that we can write the equivalent value of reciprocal of resistance. The equivalent value of reciprocal resistance 1 upon R of the parallel circuit is the addition of reciprocal of each branch resistance. That means the equivalent reciprocal of the resistance is the addition of reciprocal of each branch resistance. Now the power losses is also occurs in the resistance which are connected in parallel. So power loss in the resistance P1 is equal to I1 square R1. In R2, resistance R2, P2 is equal to I2 square into R3, and in resistance R3, P3 is equal to I3 square R3. When the resistance are connected in parallel, we can say that first each branch gets same voltage. That means that means applied voltage V. Now the total current drawn from the supply is the summation of current flows from each branch. Now the equivalent value of reciprocal of resistance of the parallel circuit is the addition of reciprocal of each branch resistance.